Hello, Aries. So if you are Aries, a sun, moon, or rising signs, this message may be for you. Take what resonates and always be true to yourself. So what is going on with Aries right now? What is going on with Aries right now? Hermit card. Oh, we have the Tower. Okay, so you guys could be feeling like, I don't know, anxiety, a little stress around you guys. You might be looking for peace with the Hermit card. Take the bottom and the top. The Prince of Discs and, the Five of Cups. Okay. What is going on? The Hermit card. So you guys could be feeling like you want to run away from something. You guys could be feeling like you want to get away from something. So there could be feelings of discomfort in a specific situations or something like that. You could also be looking for answers because the Hermit is also wants to be alone and look for some kind of answer to something. So there could be something you guys could be trying to figure out, change, something that feels uncomfortable that you guys need to, or feel like you need to change or want to change. Now we have the Tower. So change. Whatever change may need to happen, and maybe some things are changing for some of you guys, Aries. You may be feeling uncomfortable with change. Maybe you like things to be a certain way, and you might be feeling a little uncomfortable with this change. So the Tower is like major shift, like it's like a change that happens all of a sudden, or something that doesn't work out, and it just happens all of a sudden. But usually it's for the good. Usually it's for the good with this card, because something better comes after that. It brings something else, something better in the situation. So I feel like you guys need some some light, or maybe to focus on like blessings, on the positive things, because you could be thinking about all the things that are not so positive right now that could be taking up space in your mind. Peace, the Two of Swords. This is the goal. You guys, I feel, could be feeling like you want peace, but not only peace, it's like you want things to be a certain way, and whatever this is, it means a lot to you guys, and it's not just for yourselves. Like I feel like you could be feeling this for others as well, maybe the people that you care about. You could be putting plans into the future for things to be okay with this card. Some of you guys could also be concerned about staying well and healthy in the future. So this could be something also. So we have the Four of Discs. So I feel like things in the recent past felt a little bit more balanced, even though we had some craziness with Mars. Mercury was in retrograde, and we just came out of that. So we had a little craziness going on, but for the most part, things felt more balanced, or you felt a little more stable, or like you had some control in something. And right now, with the Two of Discs, things feel a little bit off. So you could be feeling like something could be throwing you off. You could be feeling like you're not feeling centered. So it's, you could be feeling like doing things to bring you back to yourself, centering yourself. So you could be finding yourself doing things like wanting to run away, whereas usually maybe you like to be with people. Maybe now you're kind of like pushing, like, oh no, whether you have a choice or not, you could be saying, oh no, not this again, not that one again, as much as you love them. So of course, take what resonates, because everyone's situation is different. So now we have the Six of Discs, which is pleasure. And the Six of Discs, the Six of Cups. The Six of Cups is making other people happy, and it's also thinking about the past. So you could be letting something from the past go. There could be something here you're thinking about from the past that is connected to whatever's going on now too, for some of you guys, Aries. And you could be thinking about finding ways to move on from this and letting something go from the past with the Six of Cups. So it frees that concern, worry, space in your mind, and brings happiness. This also can mean a reunion with people from the past. It can mean nostalgia. So there could be something in the near future you'll be doing, either letting go of the past or doing something that you used to do, meeting someone from, maybe family get-togethers or something. But I feel like for a lot of you guys, it's moving on, letting go of some concerns, or maybe it's this big change here, letting go of old ways, letting go of old worries. So you have more space for peace, happiness, and bringing something else in. Maybe your answers will come. The Knight of Wands, and in this deck, the Knight are the Kings. So you guys get things done. So you guys could be busy planning and getting things done, maybe even taking care of things for other people. There are a lot of responsibilities, and I feel like you guys are taking on a lot of responsibilities right now. Maybe this is where a little balance might come in to help you stay grounded. Maybe doing things to help you stay grounded. Interference. The Eight of Swords. Yeah, so you could be taking on worries from others or things outside of you right now, and it could be people that maybe depend on you, that could be calling on you for help and things like that, and it could just be a little bit too much coming from different directions, and you could be taking on the concerns of others, whether it's serious things or small things. It's like you could be taking on a lot. So now's a good time for sure to find balance, do things to clear your mind, because this could be a little bit overwhelming for you guys right now. The Prince of Wands. So you have the Knight here, and then you have the Prince. So I feel like you guys could be thinking about taking a step back with how much you take on responsibilities, and but you could have a challenge with this, letting go of certain things, the things that you don't need to hang on to, responsibilities, or like asking for help. You guys could be maybe taking on a lot because maybe like inside, or you feel like you guys may do it better, do it right, and maybe you trust yourself more than you trust others. But I feel like maybe you may be thinking about that a change may be something good, and this could be something that is challenging to do, or maybe something's happening that's going to cause you to step out of your comfort zone and have a change happen here with a certain situation. The Queen of Discs. The Queen of Discs, she gets things done. So the discs is the element of earth, and she's grounded, and she doesn't she does things in a relaxed manner. So I feel like in the near future you're going to be bringing this in. So you're going to be letting go of something and bringing in a more relaxed way of doing things, which could be a challenge, but I feel like you guys are going to go through a major change here, letting something go, having a little less worries. Maybe you're going to find yourself pulling back a little bit, and when it comes to responsibilities and work, maybe you're being overworked and you're going to take a step back, or not, especially if you're not being appreciated, whatever is going on here, depending on your situations. You could be helping too many, spreading yourself out too much, or you could be taking that down a couple of notches. I don't see you guys doing it like in a big way unless you didn't have control over a situation, because I feel like you guys still need some control, but you could be doing it in a lighter way. We have the Prince of Discs and Disappointment. So the Prince of Discs, he also, just like the Queen of Discs, it has to do with work and doing things, and it could also mean wellness here, goals with wellness, health, and work goals, and value, money, So the Prince of Discs, he moves a little bit more, but he still also doesn't move as quickly, like kind of like works with nature, like goes with the flow and finds resourceful ways of doing things. And then we have the Five of Cups, which is disappointment. So the Five of Cups is making sure you don't lose something. So whatever this is, though, the energy exchange, whoever you're helping, whatever you're doing, it's all about making sure you get something back, not doing it for nothing, like not doing it for I mean, it's good to have compassion, and I feel like you guys have a lot of that, Aries, but not to do it in a way where you are overspending your energy, draining yourself. So it's doing it in a way where what you want to do, you do, but the things that are not necessary, that could be actually hurting you or holding you back or making you tired, things like that. Those could be things that you might be looking to go a little slower on, go a little easier on, doing things in a more resourceful way, whether it's money-wise, energy-wise, and things that make you happy and not take away from, not add stress. So I feel like you guys are really going to be thinking about how you're going to go about doing things in the future, because there's something here that's showing you, something showing up the Tower for a big change, and I feel like you guys want a little peace and a little balance right now, and it's too much. The Eight of Swords, it's too much. So it's about putting your energy into what is gonna work for you, what's healthier for you, what's better for you in the long term. So take care, Aries.